Good morning, guys. In this session, we will gonna discuss about the Python operators. Let me create. Okay. Uh, so Python operators. In this session, we're gonna discuss about Python operators. See the Python operators. So the Python operator is a symbol. It's just a symbol that will perform certain operation between two operators. To perform operation between two operators, operands actually. Between two operands. What is an operator? What is an operand? I'll tell you in this session. Okay. So, in a particular, let's say in Python programming language, operators serves as foundation upon which logic is constructed in a program. That is that is also one of the definition for the operator. There are so many. It's just a operator is nothing but it's just a symbol which will use it to perform certain operation between two operands. What is an operand? What is an operator? I'll tell you in further sessions. So in this session, so different types of operators. So we have so many types of operators. Among them, the first one, arithmetic operator. This is the first one. The arithmetic operator and the comparison operator. Third one, assignment operator. Fourth one, logical operator. Fifth one, bitwise operator. Sixth one, membership operator. Seventh one, identity operator. Very important, guys. So we have a special operator. We'll explain at the end of the session. So as of now, just remember there are 7 types of operators in Python. First one, arithmetic. Second one, comparison. Third one, assignment. Fourth one, logical. Fifth one, bitwise. Sixth one, membership. And the seventh one, identity operator. So what is we'll discuss one by one in detail. What is an arithmetic operator? So arithmetic operators performs between two operands are carried out using arithmetic operands. So we have, let's say we have an expression. Among that expression, we had two operands and one operator. For an example, a plus b. In a plus b, a and b are operands and plus symbol is a operator. Okay, let me give you few examples for this. Okay, first one, first one example. So let me not like this. So let me brief arithmetic operator example. So first, before going to example, let me give you the types of operators we have in arithmetic operators. We have addition operator, subtraction operator, subtraction, and divide operator, multiplication operator, and we do have a remainder operator. Then we do have exponent. For exponent, we use double star. Then we do have the last one, floor division operator. That's double slash. Okay, these are the types of arithmetic operators. Example: a plus b. Here, a comma b are operands, and plus is a operator. Any doubts, guys? As of now, do you have any doubts regarding operands and operator? Differentiation between operands and operator. Any doubts? Yeah, Raju. Tell me, Raju. Yeah, yeah, Raju. I'll tell you. I'll give you that example also. So here, let's suppose you want to have uh, a square of a square of, okay, which means how do you write square of a square? We don't have square here, right? A to the power of 2. Let's say you wanna have a to the power of 2, right? So but the Python cannot recognize a power 2, but instead of that you have to go with double star component. This means a to the power of 2. Okay, if I use a to the power of 4, which means a into a into a into a, which means 4 times. Okay, you get this, right? Okay, a floor division. So it provides the coefficient floor value, which is obtained by dividing the two operands. We have two operands. Among them, if you divide it, the coefficient floors value, you will get the floors, like say a double star b. In this example, it is very similar to the division operator, but it will takes the coefficient floor value. You know coefficient, right? It, if you want the coefficient value, you must use the double slash. Okay, it will print the coefficient value. Okay, these are the differences in Python arithmetic operators. Second one, comparison. The comparison operator. So what is a comparison operator? Comparison operator compares the values of the two operands and returns true or false boolean value in accordance. Okay, so what it will does, it will just compares two operands and returns boolean value. That can be a true, or it returns boolean value. That can be true or false. Okay, it is a, it returns boolean value. What are the comparison operators? Let's see one by one. The first one, double equals, which means assignment. It's a comparison operator. If the value of two operands is equal, then the condition becomes true. Okay, it will returns true. Next one, not equals. So it will returns what? If the value of two operands is not equal, then the condition becomes true. Okay. Next, less than or equals to. So what it does, this condition met if the first operand is smaller than or equal to the second operand. You get this, right? You are getting this, right? And this one, if the condition is met if the first operand is greater than or equal to the second operand. Okay. Next, greater than operator, direct. So if the first operand is greater than the second operand, then the condition becomes true. and the last one less than operator. So if the first operand is less than the second operand, then the condition becomes true. Okay. Examples: A is equals to B, which means here comparison. A is not is equals to B. Here is also comparison. A is less than or is equals to B. Here also, these are all comparisons, guys. A is less than A's value is less than or equals to B's value, then the condition becomes true, or else it will return false. Okay, you're getting right. In a similar way, all. Third one, if you have any doubts at any point, just please do raise your point. Okay. Third one, assignment operator. What is an assignment operator? The right expressions values assigned to the left operand using the assignment operators. Okay. The right expression, whatever the, let's say you have an expression here. Let's say A is equals to 10. A is equals to 10. Here, what it is happening? Right expression value, whatever the values or expressions which are on the right side will be assigned to the left operand. So whatever the operand you have on left side, the whole expression value is assigned to the left operand. Is called assignment operator. This is one of the example, guys. So types. What are the operators? Let me give you one more. Assignment operator is equals to is the assignment operator. It assigns the value of the right expression to the left operand. Next, plus equals. So what it will does? It will it will by it will by multiplying the value of the right operand, by multiplying the value of the right operand by the value of the left operand, and the left operand receives a changed value. Let me give you one example. Okay, for this, don't get confused. For this, I'll give you one example. uh, let's say a is equals to 10, b is equal, let me write in script. Let me take one script. Okay, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to let's say 20. Okay, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 10, 20. Here assignment operator, guys. This is example for assignment operator. So 10 is assigned to a, 20 is assigned to b. Here equals to in both the expressions, equals to is the assignment operator. Okay, then I'm using here plus a plus is equals to b. What will happen? What is the b's value? You can write, see, this can be written as a is equals to a plus b. Same, guys, both are same. Okay, any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts regarding this expression? If you run, it will give you 30. So we haven't printed, you have to print it. That is a. See here, you will get the 30 value. See, both are same, guys. A plus is equals to b and a is equals to a plus b. Both are same. You can write this same expression like this. Okay, this is one of the example. Okay, in a similar way, we have minus is equals to, which means same, a minus is equals to b, which means a is equals to a minus b. Okay, next, star equals to, sorry, star is equals to, which means a is equals to a multiply by b. Okay, next, ampersand is equals to, same remainder. So it divides the value of the left operand by the value of the right operand and assigns the remainder back to the left operand. Okay, next, same, double star is equals to, what it will does, it will, it will just uh, whatever the value you have assigned on the right side, that value is exponent, that is squares or triples the value, whatever the value you have given, that will exponents the right values with the left value, and again the same value is assigned to the left operand. Okay, next, equals, same thing, it is a floor division operator. It will just does the a, let's say you have two operands. So right operands exponent value, whatever the result you will get, that will be reassigned to the right value, and then that will be again reassigned to the left operand, and the exponent, sorry, not exponent, floor division value will be assigned to the left operand, that will be printed on the console. Next, bitwise operator. Fourth one, bitwise operator. What bitwise? The name itself, it says the two operands value are processed bit by bit, bit by bit. For an example, we have so many bitwise operators. So bit is nothing but you have, let's say, 0001. Here, what is the value of 0001? Anyone? This is binary format. Can you tell me what is the numerical format of 001? Right? You get this, right? So 001 is nothing but 1. How about uh, now 3? Exactly. So here, how the calculation taken by, first bit will be 1, next bit will be 2, next bit will be 4, next bit will be 8. This is 8-bit representation. Okay. This is bit by bit representation, bit by bitwise operator. For this, let me give you one example, then you will come to know. If a is equals to 7, a is equals to 7, next b is equals to 6, anything. Word assembly is equals to 7, b is equals to is equals to 7 and B is equals to 6. Array. If A is equals to B, then print print mm, binary bitwise operator, right? So it will be like then uh, binary binary of A is equals to, for 7 what is the value? Anyone? For 7, let's say you have 000. 7 in the sense here it will becomes 2 1 2 4 4 6 7. Okay, else print binary of B. Binary is not defined, you have to import math. Still is showing. See, if A is equals to B, it will print A's value. If it not, it will print B's value. So it has printed B's value, which means just true or false, guys. Okay, bitwise in the sense this is nothing but bitwise operator. Okay, I'll give you in detail here. So there are so many types of bitwise operators here. Simple example, if this or that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, next. So what are the bitwise operators? AND operator and bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, then bitwise XOR. We have bitwise XOR. Next, negotiation, that is tilt, negation. Okay, left shift, right shift. These are the types of bitwise operators. Same, guys. A and B, A or B, A binary XOR, A negation, B A left shift, B A right shift, B. These are the examples. For example, B or A or B. Okay, A and B. If you practice well, these are nothing, guys. Okay, if you practice, you need to do only one thing. You have to practice well. That's it. That's the only solution. Next, logical operator. What are logical operators? We know this since childhood. We are studying these things. Logical operator, the assignment of expressions to make decisions, typically makes the logical operators. So there are three types of logical operators: AND operator, direct keywords, guys, OR operator, and NOT operator. That's it. So what is AND operator? The condition will also be true if the expression is true. Okay, let's say A and B. Example, A and B, direct expression, guys. A or B and A not B. And you know this. If it is A and B, If the two expressions A and B are same, then the both will return true. If true, both return. If both true, then returns true. Right? We know this. And this one, if the both true, if both true, then the resultant will be what? Anyone? If both true, false. Right? Any one, or else you can write the same expression in another way. Any one true, then that will be the condition will be true. And the last one, if an expression A is true, then A will not be false or vice versa. Anything. Okay. Any one. If both false, not equals, or both false. Or you can say one is true and one is false, then that becomes true. Okay, these are the expressions, written values. These are written values, guys. True, true are the written values, and here are the expressions A and B, A or B, A not B. These are the expressions. Then we have membership operator. What are the membership operators? We have only two membership operators, that is in and not in. That's it. Only these are the two operators. What is in? The first one. Let me tell you this. In operator. If the first operand cannot be found in the second operand, it is evaluated to be true. For an example, in list, in tuple, we'll go with this. In let's say, first operand cannot be found in the second operand. In the same way, in not in, if the first operator is not present in the second operand, then the evaluation is true. It is found in second operand, not in, not found in second operand. Example, uh, example for A in list. This is one example. Okay, so it will search the. This is for loop, guys. This is a example of for loop. Okay, for A in list. This is for A is the first operand, list is the second operand. Okay, in the same way you can write for A not in, not in list. Okay, these are the two examples for membership operators. Identity operator. Next one. Identity operator. There are only two identity operators, is and is not. Okay, I'll give you one example. What is? If the references on both sides point to the same object, it determined to be root. It determined to be true. If both sides point to same object, then it is true. If it is not pointing, first one is pointing, second one is not pointing. Not pointing to same object is true. Any doubts, guys? From tomorrow, we'll have if conditions, if else conditions, loops, for loops, while loops, breaks, and conditional statements, and we do have comments. We'll discuss these kind of things. Any doubts as of now?